Right now, we are in an abandoned nursery home. It's a mansion, but it was also a nursing home for elderly people. Also, my mask isn't working properly right now, so I have a scarf around my face as well, so it might be hard to hear me. This is an awesome long hallway. Looks like a front desk here. Look at those walls. You can tell it was a nursing home because there's rails all over the walls for people to hold on to. Look at that. It's also very early in the morning as well. This looks like one of the bedrooms for people at the nursing home. All the tile on the ground just coming from the ceiling. It looks like an assisted living. You can see the shower heads down there. The toilets are handles near the seats. So there's a closet full of these wooden posts that go to the stairs. Looks like someone took all the wooden posts out for some reason. That would be right there. Okay, so that's an elevator that goes downstairs. And you have a ramp right here as well for the people with their wheelchairs and walkers. Wow. The light just makes this look very cool. Alright, let's check it out.
There could be like monsters up here, man. You gotta be ready for anything. The devil's up there. Dude, this place is sick.
Yeah?
This is nice.
Pretty nice attic.
Well, I mean, it's the top floor. It looks like an attic.
Might just be the third floor.
Yeah.
Look at this room. Whoa.
Look at this. There's nothing on the door.
You think these curtains were for all the beds?
Maybe this was like a little hospital or something. Up top for it? I don't know.
This looks like where all the patients would have their beds.
It looks like it was curtains and everything. So that's not good to that here.
Look at the paint chipping off of all the walls and ceilings.
This is cool.
Wow, dude, look at this room. Look at these wooden shelves.
Yeah, some of their dishes are still here.
Those are lights.
Oh, some of their lights are still here.
Look at all these tables, dude.
Yeah, wood furniture. I love this window. The watchtower.
I wonder why these buckets were here.
It's like seated mini rooms. I haven't seen them. I don't know what it's called. I know, right? Yeah, it does look like a little secret mini room, huh?
It's just a little crawl space.
Yeah, crawl space.
They could store stuff in.
I would store everything in there, my secret valuable stuff.
What about Doritos? Cool Ranch. So there are lots of linen closets, it seems, up here. There are lots of places for beds. So this is more of a upper floor than an attic, really.
Yeah.
The time that we're shooting this just makes everything look so nice. Well, I mean, not nice, but the light coming through the window. It's awesome. It's very sad to see a place like this go. Look at that toilet seat. That's how I feel. This place is so nice. Here's another staircase that goes downstairs. There's quite a few of them, actually. The heater got completely ripped out of here. Someone just ripped the heater right out of the wall. There's a lot of furniture in this one. Oh, this is one of those tables. Maybe this was like a checkup room. This is the table that you sit on when you're getting a checkup. Oh, there's a hole in the floor. That is not good. This is one of those chairs that helps you get into the tub. I've seen these a lot at pools. I've never actually seen one for a tub, though. As you can see here, there's a giant staircase that goes down. Oh my god. Look at all that black mold as well. This is the staircase. Look at this chapel. So this is where the elderly would come for church every Sunday. You can see that the chairs used to be here, where the carpet isn't, with the main aisle down there. The way that the sun's coming in just makes it look so cool. And this is the front of the chapel. A lot of furniture left here. And for some reason all the telephones as well. These must have been the phones for the employees here. Other than that, it's not too bad.
Yeah, a little bit of mold don't hurt. Joking, it does. Jeez.
Oh, there's a piano here. Someone's memory card
Oh yeah.
Someone brought a memory card.
Other photographers that came here.
Here's a really old piano.
Jeez, that thing is destroyed, huh?
Yep. It's covered in like
Mold.
ceiling and mold.
This is very great mold house, huh?
There's another one here too.
Oh whoa.
My guess is these are all the old church pianos.
Yeah, you're right. The chapel upstairs?
Yeah, the chapel. What's down there? Guess we wouldn't be explorers if we didn't find out.
It's like we're in underground tunnels right now.
This is Fallout.
Yeah.
Gotta check all the cabinets for ammo and stuff like that. What is this? This looks like a giant crate that held something. Like a monster?
Well, oh, it's a crate for a monster, yeah?
Some kind of beast from like Madagascar.
Yeah. It's just like a door holder though.
Yeah, it looks like it just holds a bunch of doors.
Yeah, that's funny.
Look, someone went through the vent.
Damn, where's this spot?
Oh, this looks like a hospital.
An underground hospital, huh?
Underground hospital.
I was hoping something was in there.
Wow.
All these empty cabinets.
It does look like coat cabinets, you know? Medicine cabinets.
Could be. Could be in this underground basement area.
Yeah, dude. I didn't think we'd find this much down here. I also didn't think we'd find that much in the attic, so
Yeah.
place is full of surprises.
So much for the basement. Stay home, she's at.
Laundry stuff.